Hey everyone, this is Dr. Disha Singh here. We are again with 9 tips for fitness success. So let's start. How to stay healthy this summer. I'm going to give some 9 simple ideas so that you can start easily with your success of health. There's a no limit to what we as women can accomplish. Yeah, it's true, and you can just try it. Well, yeah, woman, let's start. My first point is to start slowly. So while we hope ultimately adopt all of fitness permanently, we have to just start slowly. You are making changes that should last the rest of your life. Don't trust them. A second point is avoid boredom. It's among the top reason people drop out of their exercise. After all, who want to be bored? Take it upon yourself to keep things fresh and dynamic. Just stay, get to biking instead of walking, stop investigating outdoor places and activities that have always been your interest. Dress for success. There's no code like you have to wear any kind of brands only. Just you can simply go for any pants and t-shirt of cotton in which you are comfortable. So dress for success, not for fashion. Surround yourself with support. You can surround yourself people like online groups, teams, your partner, your friends, your family, anyone who is motivated like you for fitness. Surround yourself with them and be a fitness seeker. Just fuel up. Nothing takes the pleasure of out an activity more than running out of energy. Too little water or too little food can make that happen. So be sure you're hydrated, not hungry, as if it's summer. So stay hydrated. If you think you will be exerting yourself, so before exercising, 30 minutes before, just have a glass of water or snacks just 20 minutes before. So fuel is important for any kind of fitness. 6. Adopt a new attitude. Be a little selfish about your exercise time. Schedule it, commit it, and protect it by gently reminding it, including your spouse, children, that sorry, but I'm busy doing something important, that exercise is my priority, and I'm going to stick with it. Do the same at work. Don't let peer pressure force you to eat lunch and usual gang things. So soon you will be got your fitness wonders, my dear. Celebrate fitness success whenever you got your something result. Just go for kind of success like buying your earring, buying a new dress. Just make some good food amount for you and eat alone. Anything that would improve as a direct result of your new exercise pattern. When you show improvement, you reward yourself. Just you want to monitor progress directly related to exercise. Consider keeping an exercise journal to note your personal observation. It's important, and think about monitoring your energy level and celebrate your fitness success dear. Sure, you are paying attention to your weight loss achievement. Ultimately, that's what you are doing for it. Eighth one is just stay motivated. Goals, treat, inspiration, fun, and lots of positive self coaching can help you stick with your new ideas of fitness plan. There are many ways to do this. Get a portable music player loaded with unbeat music so you have it while listening. Whenever you are go, just create an inspiration for yourself. Just say to yourself, I can do it. And just negative self talk, just bend it like I can't do it. Give yourself nice rewards like a book, a movie for reaching a small threshold, such as 5 consecutive days of walking or getting through entire training sequence. So stay motivated and work for it. Just don't wait for it. Ninth one is work with, not against your body. So it's important. You also need to respect your unique physical limitation. For example, if a physical condition makes it difficult for you to walk, there are many other wonderful ways to keep moving for 20 minutes, whether swimming, rowing machine, cycling, dynamic chair. Similarly, chronic condition like arthritis or back pain can limit your ability. Respect that and find movement you can do and enjoy. What important is that you don't use physical limitation as an excuse to not get moving. So just it's important to play to your physical strength. If you have strong leg, resume a hiking, a biking regimen. If you have strong arm, play plenty of sports such as tennis and softball that are great for you. Are you naturally graceful? So you can just, for any more information, you can just follow up these 9 tips for fitness success. For every 10 people who begin a fitness program, as many as 7 will drop out in less than 6 months. Here are ways to help you contributing to your dropout stats. Do not give up. Just stick to your plan. Just never be a boredom. There's no limit what we as women can accomplish. Yeah, it's truth by Michelle Obama. And I just do agree on it. This is my goal. My goal is to make pelvic health more integrated and universal for practice for all individuals, regardless of gender, age, and stages of life. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay.